India Automation Challenge 2023, a novel initiative to encourage engineering students. India Automation Challenge 2023 welcomes budding engineers of India to design and build automation systems with practical applications. Industrial automation is published by Mumbai-based IAC Communications Ltd, and the company is also organizer of the iconic Automation Expo series of annual exhibition and conference programs. Cummins College, Pune.
We are at MKSSS, Cummins College of Engineering for Women, Pune. And with me is the students from this college. We all welcome you to this Automation Expo. So I want to understand what is the basic product concept and its fundamental working.
So this is our semi-automatic sewage cleaning system. So this will be kept inside a open canal against the flow of water. So what it will do is it will collect the solid waste like sludge and bottles which clog the drainage system, and then the water overflows. So someone has to manually enter and clean it, but the water has industrial waste in it which can pollute, which can cause skin infections to the workers. So what this will do is this will collect the waste and put it into this bin.
Great. What are the product subsystems or the components that you all have created?
So we have attached an ultrasonic sensor over there which tells the amount of garbage which is collected in that bin, and we have also given a display on which the level of the garbage is shown, and we have kept a set point after which it gives the notification that the garbage is the bin is full, so we can clean it up.
Great. How does your product interface with your entire technology?
Okay, so we've also added this moisture sensor which will let us know about the level of water. So once the water level rises, it could damage the electrical components. So we've added this moisture sensor. Also we've added a camera to show whether all the garbage has been cleared or whether there's still more remaining. And we've done it using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Wow. What is your material made of?
So this is basically made of steel so that it will stay still in the water and not move. It will be permanently placed inside the drainage system.
Let me go over to the mentor. Why do you think this product is unique?
So this is very unique. Why? Because this will be useful for the health point of view of the workers who are working in the sewage industry to clean the drainage system. So it will help the health of the workers who are working in the sewage. And this will be unique. Why? Because they have also attached the camera, and with the Bluetooth technology we can also monitor what is coming in between, and accordingly we can collect the garbage in the open channel.
So when you say monitor, where is your monitoring system going to be set up?
So right now we have connected a controller, and we can send that data on the cloud, and we can monitor all the data through the cloud, whatever is the garbage collected in open channels.
So your basic customer or your end customer would definitely be the municipal corporations.
Right. So whoever is working in cleaning all the open channels, those will be the customer. We can approach them and ask their demands, and accordingly we can build a system.
So who would you look towards being your partners or vendors for your product?
Sir, in Pune we have CWPRS Institute which is working on cleaning the waters under the channels. So we can approach them for getting the sponsorship and developing an enhancement in this product up to the user requirements.
Right. So we wish you all the best for your product and for the competition as well. I'd like you all to introduce yourselves.
I'm Janhavi Pendhakar from 3rd year instrumentation.
Hi, I'm Amoli Hardankar, 3rd year instrumentation.
I'm Sakshi Kulkarni from 3rd year instrumentation. Cummins.
Hello, I'm Dr. Swati Madhe. I'm the mentor of all these students, and I'm working in Cummins College of Engineering.
So thank you and wish you all the best.